Welcome to Quick Planning. Quick Planning is the section that I like to refer to as the brain dump section. The Quick Planning widget has two main databases, Activity/To-Do and Content Planner. When you first open the Activity/To-Do, it'll have some already populated examples so you can get an idea of what it should look like filled out. But because they are not relevant to this trip, I'm going to go ahead and delete them all by hovering on the dots and selecting all to delete. You'll also notice at the bottom that there is an undo button if you accidentally delete something you didn't want to do. But time for the fun part. For this trip, we are going to Rome and the Amalfi Coast. Without too much research, since we're treating it as a brain dump, I'm going to jot down ideas of what we want to do. See the Trevi Fountain, have lunch at the Pantheon, sunset boat tour in Positano, go to a beach club, and take an Italian cooking class. Then we can go in and fill out the type of activity that it is. There may be some overlap, just depends on how you want to categorize each activity. But we have food and drink, tourist attraction, shopping, sightseeing, excursion, and other. So this part, as you can see, is super casual and just a place to put down all of your ideas. The next database in this section is the Content Planner, which is more for the content creator, but can be used if you just love taking photos and posting about your trips. Once again, I'm gonna go in and delete all of the pre-populated ones. So I know I want to take a photo of throwing a coin into the Trevi Fountain. You can fill this out as detailed as you want or as little as you want. I'm going to answer just a few of these right now, even down to the caption. Obviously, we're going to make a Lizzie McGuire reference, so I will put, "This is what dreams are made of." You can add an inspo picture as well, such as a photo you've seen on Pinterest. I'm going to click Embed Image and add this image here. The best part is that these databases link to one another. So for the Trevi Fountain photo, we'll obviously be taking it when we visit the Trevi Fountain. And now that I've linked it, I can go into activities and see that the content has been linked to one another. This is great before you go on the excursion because you'll have all the information for the excursion in the same place as all of your content ideas. Now you won't forget a photo op. And once you complete the actual activity, there is a checkbox here that says done. If the activity has a cost attached to it, you'll see that once you hit done, the money will increase into the trip cost. You can always go into Activity/To-Do when you want to see all of the activities you have planned and edit each individual activity by clicking on them to expand it.